Welcome to Ukulele Zen. This channel is all about teaching you how to play music in a way that's relaxing, fun, and effective. Hope you'll check out all the other videos at my channel. I have a wide variety of subjects, topics for you to explore. Make sure that you click the subscribe button as well so you keep in the loop every time I put up a new video. This is the monthly Beatles Ukulele Lesson and Play Along Jam. Please leave a comment in the section down below. Let me know, what song would you like me to teach you next month? This month we'll be learning In My Life, John Lennon's very touching ballad from the Rubber Soul album. Now this is a lesson for players of all levels. We'll be going through some specific strums. I'll also, in a bonus video, show you how to play the very cool piano solo. There's a link in the description below if you'd like to study that more advanced solo. Now as we go through this lesson, follow along with my hands and the on-screen graphics, but if you'd like to support this channel and get printable PDFs and a whole bunch of really extra cool perks for your playing, check the links down below, join the community. I appreciate y'all being with me right here. Let's get into the lesson. After we learn the tune, we're going to play it all together. Here is the introduction. Goes like this. One more time, then I'll break it down. Now this is not terribly complex, but there is one very cool effect, and that is by picking, then picking and hammering. Right? Now this is hammer-ons, pull-offs is something I've covered in other videos on my channel. To describe it really briefly, you get two notes out of picking one. So you pick, then hammer. Okay, so you're drumming with this finger onto the fretboard. Make sure the touch is lighter. You don't have to push too hard, just enough to make the note sound. Let's play it one more time together. 2, 3, 4. And I play with my thumb, but you can pick with your fingers or even a guitar pick. Now let's go over the basic chords we're going to need and some strums to give the song some rhythmic structure. The chords you're going to need are A major, E7, F sharp minor, A7, then we switch to D major. Notice the fingering I'm using for D major. Middle finger, ring, pinky. That makes it very easy to change to the next chord, D minor. And very easy to change back to A, where our finger just hops up. Okay, so that middle finger positioned at the 2nd fret 4th string would be our guide finger. There are just two more chords you need, a G major and also a B7. If you prefer, you can play the B7 as a bar chord or any other voicing that you prefer, but usually for strumming and singing, we like to keep things in the open position. Now, if you're brand new to the ukulele, please feel free to play a simple rhythm. In a few minutes when we play the whole song, you can hold down the rhythm very well just by playing quarter notes, all down strokes, or down up strokes. This allows you to stay in the flow of the music. You can also focus on your fretting chord changes a lot easier when you're playing a simple rhythm. Now, a more advanced beginner way to play this is to play the two main rhythms of down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. There's another rhythm, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now we're going to apply these to the chords in just a moment, demonstrating there's one part where the A7 comes in a syncopated rhythm. Please know that as you're playing the song, feel free to flow with the rhythm any way you like, but these specific moments can really add a lot of musicality. So let's explore it together. The first section of the verse, you play A, down, down, up, E7, F sharp, A7. I just want to spend another 30 seconds on this because it's worth knowing that this syncopation is connected to the upstroke. So when you change from F sharp to A7, you're going to do it on an upbeat on an upstroke. Let's practice this together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Rewind the video, drill that into your memory circuits, into your muscle memory, so you really got it. The rest of the verse is D, D minor, Now for the bridge. It can be played with the same rhythm, and as I mentioned before, you can of course add other nuances that you like. It starts with the F sharp minor, down, down, up, down, D major. Then we switch to G major, going back to A. 3, 4. The second half of the bridge begins on an F sharp minor to B7. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. And then the bridge ends with D minor to A. 3, 4. Congratulations, you just strummed through the entire form. Now we're ready to play the entire tune. If you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, please give this video a thumbs up. I have a bunch more to share with you in another bonus video. There's a link to that in the video description below. Don't forget to leave a comment down below too. Let me know what Beatles song you want me to teach you next month. Thanks for watching. Let's get jamming. This is 92 beats a minute. I'll be taking some liberties with the strum. Remember, do your own thing with it. And if you'd like to learn the solo, there is a link down below to the bonus lesson at the community page. You ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, intro. There are places I'll remember all my life, though some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone and some remain. All these places had their moments with lovers and friends I still can recall. Some are dead and some are living. In my life I love them all. But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you, and these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I'll know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life, I love you more. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life, I love you more. In my I love you more. And then you would end on the A major chord. Hope you had fun learning along with this ukulele lesson. Be sure to click right here for more Beatles tutorials, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Vote for your favorite Beatles tune. Look forward to making music with you in another video soon. Take good care, and thanks.